Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, May the 11th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday afternoon. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one. Yes, the 4 stars Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 8518. 8518. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes, 4 stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, naked single here. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 1, 2 twos. We have here 1, 2 threes. We have here 4 fours. All right. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 fives. All right. We have here 2, 3 sixes, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So the 4s and the 5s are a majority. Can I start with the 5s? No. That's a pity. I cannot start with the 5. Let me see. Need to use another digit. Let me see. 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 7 and a 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in the first column, so no 7 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 7 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. Okay. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. Oh wait, we have a pair, the 7 and 5 in this row, the 7 and the 5 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 place level, the 7 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level the 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Oh, wait, need a 7. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 place level the 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 there. Okay. Yeah, I need a 7. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, and I need a 6 there. Well, I need a 9 here. And I need a, come on, 6. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 in the last row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left with the 6 in this big square. Shoot it. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in this box. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Shoot it. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1. Then let me see. 1. Okay, 2 and then 9. 2 and 9. How about? I need a 6 there. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next down, need to place level the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next down, need place level 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Okay. Need a 3, need a 5, and I need a 2. 2. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have 5 in the middle column, so no 5 here. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in one of these 3 boxes in the first column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3 missing numbers. Yep. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square from numbers 1 to 2, 3 to 4 to 5, the 6 to 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 and 3, okay. Then need a 5 here. Let me see. Come on. 6. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 6 should be down. Need a 6 here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Do we have all the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. But the 5, yep. 5, need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. About the 4. Come on. 4. 4. Yeah, need a 4 there. 4. All right. 3. 3, need a 3 there. Alright, 2, need a 2 there. I need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. No 2 here, no 2 there. Need a 2 here. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in the first column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so this box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. Okay. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left on the 5 should be here. Or there, we have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5, cannot continue with the 5 now. Then, let me see. 8. 1. 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 8, 8, 8, okay. Yeah. Come on. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first one. No 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in one of these 3 boxes in the first column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. I need a 1 here. And I need a 1 there. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now. How about the 7? The 7. Okay. 1 box. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes in there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Alright. 2. Need a 2 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this one. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 2 in the last column. No 2 in those 2 boxes. The 2 in this big square. Could be here. Could be there. 2 in the last column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next on that column. The only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last one. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. Okay. Then. Yeah. The 5 here. The 5 there. Yeah. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left the 7 should be there. 7 in this last row. 7 in that row. So the row between. Only 3 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 in the second column. No 7 there. The only place left. The 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright, and now, how about the 4s then? 4. 4. Well, in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here can be a 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place I have a 4 in this column should be here then. Okay. Then let me see. 4. Need a 4 there. How about the number 8 and 9, 8. Yeah. 9, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this last row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in the third column, so no 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 4. Alright, 4. We have a pair. 4 and a 5 in the last row. 4 and a 5 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this second column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left with 8 should be there. And I've eliminated 2, so the 2 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have 8 now in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, so we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3 and number 8. Alright. Now, 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. One number left in the third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 goes in these 2 boxes together with the 2. We have a pair, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have 1 and a 3 in this row, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. Finished in 17 minutes. Wow. 17 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.